Welcome to section number 11 on REST APIs. In the last section, you learned how to interact with a database using Node.js. In this section, what we're going to do is start to create our very own Express-based REST API using what we now know about data storage. This is going to allow a user to perform an operation, such as signing up for a new account, creating a task, or fetching a list of all of the tasks they still need to complete. Now, along the way, we're also going to explore Mongoose. Mongoose is a really popular library when working with Node and MongoDB. It gives us a really easy system for modeling our data, for modeling things like a user or a task. We'll be able to set up the various fields and data types, as well as things like data validation, which is going to make our lives a lot easier and our applications more secure. I'm excited to get to all of that and more. Let's jump right in and talk about Mongoose.